Yo! We're out here, boy! We're out! It's Thursday, alam nyo na, we're gonna be playing Beyblade X at Arken. But, we're gonna be doing something different kasi marami ng CX releases recently. And you know me, I really hate CX. I'm a CX hater, pero I gave Matt full creative control of the deck that I'm gonna be using today. And it's gonna be a full CX deck. Pakita ko sa inyo. I'm gonna get Matt to explain what the deck is. Twinning!
Yay! Hello! so it's a Valkyrie Blast on wheel 360 level. Emperor Arc Heavy 960 taper. Soul Eclipse, whatever this is, 560 flat. Good luck! I love you.
Love you too.
3, 2, 1, go.
Wow! Speed finish!
Go.
'Oy! Okay, 1-all.
Go. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, go.
No, shoot good. Ayan na! Oh! Bogey! Wait lang. Ayun na yun naman. Ah!
3, 2, 1, go.